Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering monthly and weekly key levels on AAVE. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we can notice is our swing high here. So we plot it on the chart and we notice multiple reactions to the level. Let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, what can we notice? Well, we notice a key level right here. So, let's plot it on our chart. Notice that multiple reactions as support, and we see reactions as resistance. And this reaction here is just below the level. So, we can also notice a key level right here. Make sure you always color coordinate your trend lines to the time frame you're working in. So, we see price come down, hit, and reverse drastically. When we see price come back down, we see a reaction acting to the same key level. Now, as price comes back, we see it acting as resistance here. So acted as support, now resistance. Price came back up and reversed. So we can also plot our key weekly swing high. Now, let's look at the most recent price action. We can notice a key level right here. Where price came down and reversed drastically, creating a key level of support. Now, as price broke through the level, we see it react to the same level, now acting as resistance. And as price came back up here, we see it reacted to the same key level as resistance. So, support, flipped resistance, multiple reactions, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So as price comes back up, we will expect to see another reaction from the same key level. Now, we also notice our swing low here, as this is the lowest point price has gotten on the weekly time frame in most recent terms. Now, we can also see a key level right here. This is the most recent level of support where price came down and has started to reverse. We also notice a key wick right here reacting to the same level. So, multiple reactions, and it's obvious to spot, which is our most recent level of support. Now, we also notice a key level right in the middle of all of this. So we can notice price came down, hit, and reversed. And we see price come down and reverse and react to the level as resistance, where over here the level acted as support. So we see a drastic move to the downside, and as price reversed, we see another reaction to the same key level, acting as resistance. So, looking at our chart, we've plotted all of our key levels. Now, since we have these key levels, we have an idea and can plan for where price may react to, where before we had no idea where price may react. So, adding some structure to our charts gives us an edge over the market, as we have defined areas where prices reacted to in the past and can potentially react to in the future. So, that's all our key levels, and if you guys enjoyed the video today and got some value, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.